Alright you guys, so we saw our double spray ground and then oh, we gotta unplug the car. Hold on, JJ. Yeah. Let me toss this in here. And then the rain started coming down, so we had a little bit of nap break. Now we're gonna go to the other house we renting, and we're gonna work on the car over there in the garage. So see you guys in a bit. Alright you guys, well, we got kind of unlucky. It started raining pretty heavily, so moved in the car, moved in some tools, but definitely we gotta unload more. Fuck the rain, man. Dude, that's crazy.
You need hail insurance out here.
Oh yeah. Oh, coming in the dump. Fucking, what is it? Peanut size? So yeah, the car ended up bottoming out in the top section. Ended up damaging our splitter and the splitter mounting brackets. So right now Kelly's gonna try to fix this. But we also have to, so we set up the table outside over there, as you can see, but it started raining again, so yeah, we're gonna have to do it in the trailer. In the meantime, I tried to organize the trailer a little bit. Well, I mean, it's still, you know, work in progress, but that way, once we get the new tires, because we sent out the tires, the used ones, to Yokohama, so they're gonna mount new tires on for us. So I'm gonna put those back, and I'm gonna load everything else back. This is a rear diffuser. Wow. Got pretty beat. So if you guys ask why I'm sanding this, because we're gonna epoxy this to the carbon splitters, and also the reason I'm sanding this down is because you want to rough up the surface, so when you you know, epoxy it or glue it, whatever you want to call it, it's gonna stick to the surface.
Wanna rivet that?
You're
Do a flame or a bracket?
It's a bracket.
What you probably seen before is we had to repair our splitter, and we also had to repair our center bottom flat piece on the car, or I'm not sure how we call it. Meantime, also they were working on it, so we worked in the trailer as you could see. I ended up reorganizing the corner because we got new fresh tires, slicks. So one slick set is kind of like a spare because it doesn't have the thermal sensor in the TPMS. But the other two, we got fresh new tires on now, so I situated those. I tried to pack it up in the corner there, yeah, we're not gonna get a lot of sleep. And right now they're finishing up the car, putting back the splitter on it and the wheels, which I don't think you can see from this angle. But pretty much I got the trailer ready. Yeah, racing is fun, but on the other hand, most likely half the time you're not gonna sleep enough. You're gonna go on like 3-4 hours of sleep, so.
832 Maximus.
Oh really, Mike?
A32 Maximus. I
Yep.
haven't heard of that one.
I don't even know what that is.
That's what he drives.
Oh.
The
Yeah.
one that he says can do $120 on the freeway.
Yeah, anything can be 120.
Push that down. Your feet.
Yeah, they keep your light there, yeah. Can you turn off the headlights?
Yeah, hold on.
Yeah. That looks a lot better.